Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start right away by prepping. Insert a data SIM into the tracker and charge it briefly. Once done, turn the Scooty ignition off and remove the seat to access the battery and wiring harness. You will find a switched ACC wire and a constant 12V. Mark them clearly. Make sure you have an inline fuse ready on the constant feed. Using a multimeter, verify which wire is which before you tap, because a wrong connection can blow fuses or damage electronics. Now you make the core connections. Connect the tracker's constant power to the battery through the inline fuse and the ignition sense to the ACC wire so the tracker knows when the Scooty is on. Attach a solid chassis ground, clean paint off the frame for a reliable connection. Route the GPS antenna upward with a clear sky view and keep it away from big metal parts. Finally, power the unit, insert the SIM, and program the APN and admin numbers so the tracker can report location. Finish by testing. Turn the ignition on and open your tracker app to confirm a GPS fix and proper ignition reporting. Once confirmed, mount the tracker under the seat using vibration-damping foam and secure all wires with zip ties and heat-shrinked connectors. Replace panels. Make sure the antenna remains oriented for best reception. If something goes wrong, first recheck the SIM's data and APN settings and the antenna placement. These two issues solve most no-fix or no-connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.